What do you call the line that do not hit from a point? Okay, any answer, class? From a point. Okay, exact. Lines.
Habang nag-focus ko, pwede mo ipakita sa itaas.
Number 2. Okay, answer. A, C. Okay, correct. Number 3. Face at the back. Number 3. Okay, correct. Number 4. Your answer is then A.
Ma'am?
Correct. The last number.
Diba, nakadalawa
A is what? 4.
memory. Kunin ko lang sa itaas siya para habang nag-focus yung mapa, meron sila nakikita niya yung ginawa niyo.
Sige, ma'am.
For your assignment
Sabi mo
class.
lang kayo kay Jerica.
Okay, hold your
Pagkatapos.
Assignment class.